Welcome! Today we are going to learn how to use the if function in Microsoft Excel. So, the use of the if function, it is one of the logical functions to return one value if a condition is true and another value if it's false. Now let's proceed. So, open your Microsoft Excel. So now, and input your data. Now, as you can see here in my worksheet, I already have my data. As we can see here, in the remarks column, I want to know whether the student passed or failed my class based on their average grade. In this situation, I set 75 to be the passing grade for the class. So grades that is equal to or higher than 75 are considered to be passed, while those grades that are lower than 75 is considered to fail the class. So, in here, if the student passed the class, I want the word pass to be displayed. And if the student failed, then I want the word fail to be displayed. So, you can make your own conditions. You can either use good or bad, true or false, etc. It just depends on you. So now we can make the if function. So we can start writing the formula. We can type here or in here. So I want to know first if Juan de la Cruz passed my class. So I just type equals if, open parenthesis, then I indicate my condition. So I click Juan's average grade, that will be used as the basis, and then I have to set the condition. So if this cell is more than 74.5, so I type I2 or just click I2, and then greater than 74.5, and then I add the semicolon for separation. So that was my condition. Now we set the corresponding action for the condition. So if this is true, then, or if the value is indeed greater than 74.5, the word pass will be displayed. So then in the formula, we write quotation mark, pass, and then closing quotation mark. And then we put another semicolon. So if the statement is false, or if the value that I chose is actually lower than 74.5, then the word fail should be displayed. So in our formula, we write open quotation marks, then the word fail, and then closing quotation mark. And then finally, we end it by typing a closing parenthesis. Then our formula is complete. Then we hit enter. Note that in Microsoft 365, we only use comma instead of semicolon. After we click enter, we see that the word pass is displayed for Juan de la Cruz, meaning that Juan's average grade is obviously greater than 74.5. But we want to know the other marks for other students. So we can do that by simply dragging the plus sign arrow up until to Luisa Torres remarks, or up until K11. So as we can see here, after dragging, we find that 3 students actually failed the class. while 7 students passed the class. To recap, here is a short demo that illustrates the steps that we had to undertake. Please watch. Well done! Explore the if function and use your own conditions. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe and the like button if this video helped you a lot. See you in the next video.